we are back today, and today we have a really cool video. So as you guys see inside the caption, today we are going to be installing our carbon trunk and then carbon hood. The box literally had just fell over, so I hope the hood is not damaged now, but I had already opened it the other day and peeked through it, and it looks good and everything, but hopefully it didn't just get damaged. As you can see, I taped it all the way back up just so I could protect it. The trunk, on the other hand, it came inside of like a big crate, like a wood crate, so I literally just took it out and threw it away. But just seeing the difference already, this thing is gonna look nasty. But we did get the CSL like duckbill, whatever you want to call it. We do have that on. This thing it's gonna look so nasty once it's finished. And then another thing we did get, the halos just turned on. I said halos, lasers just turned on. But we did get the front canards, but we are waiting until we get the paint mesh reflectors just so we can get put the canards over it. But yeah, so right now I'm just waiting on my boy to pull up, and then because this is definitely, honestly, if no one was able to help me out, I was gonna strap it down to the roof and have strings like under the windows and coming out. And then this, I was just gonna drop the back seats, put it inside. I'm pretty sure it would fit, I think so, but I didn't want to test my luck. But luckily one of the boys came through, and I'll update you guys once my boy pulls up, and then I'll see you guys then. We'll be packing up. I can't wait. I can't wait. Carbon hood on this motherfucker. This shit's gonna look so nasty. Even the trunk. I'm so ready, bro. This cat came out of nowhere, and now he's, yeah, what's on your mouth? What's that white stuff, bro? What you been slobbing on? Mr. Cat came out of nowhere, but still waiting on my boy. Pulls up last second, like always. But as long as we still get there, that's all that matters. Well, yeah. Let me get that cold start for you guys. Ooh, Mr. Cat, I just kicked you. I didn't mean to, though. Alright, let me see how I'm gonna do this. Let me set it up. What up, Mr. Cat? Let me just get shout out to IRL. Beautiful morning cold start for you guys. Shout out to RRL. Amazing exhaust you guys have made, and downpipes. I will be buying a new set of downpipes because I do need catless now, because I'll be shipping out the ECU soon. New video on that will be coming out soon. You guys see, we do have a lot coming to the cars. We do have a lot coming more for the Genesis as well, but we're just waiting on things. It's like, I wish I could get everything done, but it's more of I have to be patient with it. It is what it is, though. But M3 is coming all the way together, boys. Looking good, better than ever. Beautiful morning. About to go throw on a carbon trunk and hood. I'm so excited. But I'm also cool as shit. Boys, so we're all loaded up. This is kind of a scary thing that we did here, but we kind of had to because we had no other route. But it's on there. And then for the trunk, we got it right here. It's on the passenger side. We're just risky play, but we're gonna be on the way over to Vic's, and then I'll see you guys there. And we are now heading over to the shop. I don't know since when has it been this cold outside, but it's like if it's like the one time where I gotta be somewhere. Ooh, I'm trying to make sure I don't stray up on the driveway. The one time I gotta be up early and out, it wants to be this cold outside, but fuck it. I'm putting on carbon trunk and hood, so I'm not even mad about it. I'm just ready to put this thing on. As you see, we got my boy loaded up right there, and now we head out. We gotta drive slow though, just so we make sure that this fucking hood doesn't fly off the back. I kind of wanted to ride behind him just so I make sure that, like, if anything, well, it would be bad if I do ride behind him, because then the box is gonna hit my car, and that's like not just a light box. It kind of has a little weight to it, and it will damage the car, but it is what it is. I'm just trying to get there and get back, but I will see you guys as soon as we get to Vic's. What is up, guys? We are back today, and we have finally acquired the M3 back. It looks amazing, but we've ran into some issues. But let me just give you guys the final look of the M3. 3, 2, 1. Dun, 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 dun. So boys, here we have got the M3 back now. As you can see, we got the carbon CSL hood installed on top, and we also got our carbon trunk on it. But the thing is, with the carbon trunk, I just found out it's leaking through. So I went through the quick wash, laser wash, by the way, just so you guys know that I don't go through regular washes. Usually I just detail my own, but it's really cold out and I'm just lazy right now. But as y'all can see, the fitment right there is like terrible. So this trunk, I sourced it on my own, and as y'all can see, the fitment on it is not good, and we are leaking water through it. So looks like the carbon trunk was a fail, sadly, and we're gonna have to get that swapped out. On the hood, on the other hand, the hood, my boy has sourced it for me. Let me let it focus. There we go. As y'all can see, carbon, baby. My boy had sourced me the hood. His Instagram is Cozy Carbon. If you guys are interested in getting any carbon pieces, you could just hit him with the DM and just let him know Yusuf sent you. But yeah, boys, here we have it, the individual Voodoo Blue G80 with carbon CSL hood and trunk. But the trunk is going to be coming off because the fitment is that bad on it. But overall, I would say that it just looks amazing. This whole transformation it just looks so good now, and I don't even know how to explain how good it looks. If you see it in person, you'll know how good it looks. But yeah, guys, so if you guys stuck around for this long, appreciate it. Love you guys. Stay tuned for more. We have a lot more coming to the whips. Peace.